Okay, this is about where I left off. So now I'm going to bring you over to this boulder right here. I'm going to zoom right in on it. He's used that as a target. See the big black mark? In the middle of that black mark, there's 4 shots. Three anyways. So I'm just going to wait here for a while and see if anything comes out. I saw some bear scat on the way up here. It's probably about 4 clicks maybe up here. And 3/4, it's all sand. And 3/4 of the way up, there's about 4 really bad ditch outs that someone's put in. And the last one's a real doozy. I had to fill it in a little bit.